Hey guys, so I've had a few people ask me to make a video on how to make your own landing page. A lot of times I link these on our ads under the lead form. So I'm just going to go through and show you how to do that right now. If you hear a lot of noise, just ignore it. I have a dog and she has to be on top of me all the time. So go on the left sidebar, go all the way down to sites. And here is where all of your landing pages will pop up. Right here, next to the agent site pages and neighborhood pages. So here you can inactivate them or edit them, deactivate, whatever you need to do. So go up here to create a new site. Standalone page, create. We're going to change the title up here. I'm going to say test Skyline Drive. Okay. So I'm going to add all of the widgets before we even edit them. Okay, so I always start off with branded header. And then if you want to give some information about an open house, say this is an open house ad. If you don't, just ignore this step, but you can add text under that and put like open house this Sunday. And I would always make sure you put the date in case you forget to go back and edit and take this out. From 2 to 4 p.m. And here you can change the font. Let's say like, okay. And then the size, bold, whatever you want to do. All right. So now we're going to go back up to widgets. And we are going to add a listing. And this is really easy, guys. Like, it looks like it takes so long, but once you do it once or twice, it really only takes a few minutes. So after this, and of course, all of this is just whatever command's default is, so this isn't your listing yet. We'll go back in and edit it after we set this up. So after this, I do a market snap. And that'll show up down here. It just gives you some statistics about the neighborhood. And then go to a lead form. That way, if they want to ask for more information or give you more details on what they're looking for, they can. I know you already received their name, email address, and phone number from the Facebook lead form, but here they can leave a note or do whatever they want to do. Okay, so then I go to, widgets, agent branding. And put this after it. Okay. So now there you see that's my team leader. His information pops up. And then we want to do legal footer. Okay. So it just has the copyright information and everything and your address and the logo there. All right, so now once we've done that, go to configure widgets on the right-hand side here. And we'll just start at the top. So you have to put header text. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to put your local expert. And here's all their information. Save and apply. Okay, so you can see how that changed up here. So now we're going to go back. Let's go down to listing. Browse. And you're going to pull up whatever listing it is that you want to put on your landing page. Search. Okay, so this one's ours. Select. So here you can see that you can choose photos from the listing. It'll pull them straight from MLS, or you can go to custom image and upload your own. I'm just going to use, actually let's just use this one. Okay, save and apply. All right, so now you can tell that that's our picture here. You have the information. This all pulls straight from MLS, so you don't have to do any of this manually. You can see all of the pictures here. Okay. Some more details. Google Maps. Okay, and then now we're going to go down and edit this here. So save and apply. I might have already done that. Whatever. So you can just hit back. Now let's go down to new market snap. So you're going to put in the zip code of whatever the listing is. 35. Header, Elyria Market Snapshot. Neighborhood, Elyria Township. Save. Okay, so now you can see it's all kind of coming together. Here's the Elyria statistics, lead form, there's Pete, and that. Okay. So now you see all of the check marks here. I wouldn't follow this too much because before it didn't even show that the listing or the new market snap needed to be edited because it had already pulled commands info. But at least you know there's nothing else you have to do right now. Done. And yeah, I mean, that's really it. So now go to publish page. Yes. Okay. So now we can take this. And here you go. So this is what it looks like now. It has everything here. Well, there we go. Okay. So that's really it.